guys, I'm home. I do work today, but I'm home already, and I'm gonna do a quick grocery haul that I pick up before I went home today after work. But anyways, the weather is so nice today. I love the weather today. I wish the weather is the same like today all the time, but sometimes it gets super hot, sometimes it's nice. Like today it's super nice. It's just perfect, the weather today. So I'm thinking I'm gonna take Ayla outside. She's sleeping right now. When she woke up, I'm gonna take her to the park and let her play for an hour maybe. We'll see, but the weather is so nice, so that's why I wanna take Ayla outside to the park so that she can enjoy the weather and play to the park today because the weather is so nice. But anyways, I love the weather today. It's so nice. Let's do the quick grocery haul. So I grab a couple things, not too many, and just the things that I need. So I got Ayla's food, her favorite. She like this garden tomato. She like the flavor, like it got those like good flavor, and she loved this one. And this one, she loved this yellow rice with veggies. She liked this one too. And this chicken stick, like a Vienna sausage but for babies. It's chicken flavor chicken. She liked this too. And also I got eggs because we're run out of eggs like 2 days ago, and I forgot to buy an eggs the other day, so I got 12. I don't know. No, it's not 12, 18 eggs. So we got eggs. Since I do a quick grocery haul, I want to include the things that I ordered online from Amazon. So yesterday I received the jeans that I bought online. I like these jeans. I like the style. I like how they fit on me. It's fit perfect for my size. Although I'm short and petite, it's hard for me to find the jeans that are like actually like fit for me, like the length. Every time I look for the jeans, it's like the problem is way too long for me because I'm short. So finally I found the jeans that I like fit perfect to my height, and at the same time it fit perfect to my like size too. So I bought this all the time. I bought it in Amazon. This is you call this? It's a Levi's jeans, and yeah, it's fit for petite people, short people. So I always find the style of jeans like this one. It's 724 high rise slim straight. So right now one of my favorite jeans is the straight jeans. I'm tired of wearing skinny jeans, super skinny jeans, because I'm working all the time, so I don't like wearing like tight jeans. When I'm working, it's not comfy at all, and it's not good for our legs, especially when you're working. It doesn't matter where you're not working wearing like skinny jeans at all, because you're not like moving around or doing stuff. But if you're working, it's better than for me it's better to wear the like comfy jeans that like won't hurt my legs at all. So now I'm obsessed of the style of the jeans, like they call it straight jeans. It's not skinny, it's just a straight jeans, a little bit loose on my legs, and then it's super nice to wear and very comfortable. So I always buy this kind of style of jeans from Levi's. Again, it's called slim straight jeans, and it's really comfy. The jeans that I'm wearing right now is the same, like this style of jeans, and I do love it. That's why I reorder another pair of the same style of jeans. Super comfy. I like their fabrics, really nice. Levi's is a really nice jeans. It's so comfy. So by the way, I got it for, I think they're on sale. I think these are $29. It's really good price for a jeans. That's so cheap for a jeans, especially jeans from Levi's. They're like expensive, like $69, $59, something like that. But I got it on sale for $29, and I just love the style of the jeans. It's high-rise jeans, guys, and then it's like just straight cut jeans, and it's really comfy to wear. And also I order Ayla's what do you call that? I forgot to call it. Toddler blanket. Got this. I wanna try this for her. They called it sleep socks, like a overall pajama, but it's not. It's a blanket. They call it sleep socks for babies. So there you go. And I got this one because she has two, but those fabric is so thick and then it's so hot. The other day when I grab her and put her on bed, she's like sweat at all because her sleep socks that she's wearing right now is like too thick, the fabric. So I look for something different, like not thick at all and very soft and comfy. Okay, I wanna include this too. My coworker, she's so nice. My coworker gave me an earrings. By the way, even she don't give me an earrings, she's nice. She's a nice person, and she gave me the earring. It's so nice earring. I love this earring. It's so nice. This is what's look like the earrings that she gave it to me. I don't know if you can see it, but this is the earrings that she gave it to me today. It's so nice. Look how pretty is that. I'm excited. I'm gonna wear it tomorrow. It's so nice. So she gave me this just I think yesterday, because she's working yesterday. I didn't work yesterday. I kind of want coffee. Let's make coffee. It's nice to drink coffee in the afternoon. I like drinking coffee in the afternoon. So let's make coffee. Let's add some water. Add some water. This one too. Get some cup. And we will wait.